Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious stewed apples. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 4 to 6 medium-sized apples, which is roughly 1.5 to 2 pounds. We'll also use 1/4 cup of water and 2 tablespoons of sugar to sweeten them perfectly. For an extra touch, have a pinch of cinnamon or a squeeze of lemon juice ready. These simple items are all you need to begin this delightful culinary journey. Now that we have our ingredients, let's prepare the apples. Begin by thoroughly washing and then carefully peeling each apple. This ensures a smooth texture in your final dish. Next, core the apples to remove all seeds and the fibrous center. Finally, cut them into uniform, bite-sized pieces. Consistency in size is key here, as it helps all the apple pieces cook evenly, ensuring every bite is perfectly tender and delicious. With your apples prepped, it's time to start cooking. Place all the apple pieces into a medium-sized saucepan. Add the 1/4 cup of water and the 2 tablespoons of sugar directly into the pan with the apples. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking and ensure even cooking. Continue to cook for approximately 10 to 15 minutes, or until the apples reach your desired tenderness. Your stewed apples are almost ready. Once they are tender, remove the saucepan from the heat. Now is the perfect time to stir in any additional flavors, such as a pinch of ground cinnamon or a dash of fresh lemon juice for brightness. Give them a quick taste and adjust the sweetness if needed, adding a little more sugar if you prefer. Serve your warm, comforting stewed apples as a delicious dessert, a topping for oatmeal, or a lovely side dish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.